honey. Oh. Oh, it's a big man. Yeah. Oh, they're coming now for you, Brooke. You got a friend now. Oh, here's the little one. Oh, yeah, they won't hurt you.
Don't fall in, yeah.
Cassie, here comes one, Cassie, right for you.
I know.
Okay, just wanted to warn you so you don't freak out.
Here, stay there. Yeah.
Cassie, stay there. Keep seeing the other ones. Did you get hurt? Cassie, feeding it? Oh, look at the little one trying to get in. Right there.
Can I give him this part?
Yeah, sure.
They'll eat it all.